This simple text right here could sell for $10. But how? These are called AI text prompts, and it is not a hard skill to master. If you're anything like me, you're always looking for ways to earn some extra cash while doing what you love. And let's be honest, who doesn't love art? Did you know that you can sell text prompts of AI art generating models like DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and GPT-3 for $10? Now, I know what you're thinking. Selling AI art prompts. That sounds complicated. But trust me, it's easier than you think. Plus, it's a fun way to flex your creative muscles and earn some moolah at the same time. Let's start by talking about what exactly an AI art prompt is. So what is an AI art prompt? It's like a recipe for your AI algorithm to cook up some cool artwork. But like any recipe, the ingredients and instructions matter, and a bad prompt can lead to some funky art. Essentially, an AI art prompt is a set of instructions that an AI algorithm can use to create a piece of artwork. These prompts can be anything from a simple sentence to a complex image, and they serve as the starting point for an AI-generated artwork. In this case, all you need to do is provide a textual description or a set of keywords to an AI model, and it generates an image based on that description. So how do we make sure our prompts are top-notch? Well, first and foremost, know your audience. What styles and themes are they into? Once you have an idea, craft some prompts that align with those preferences. You don't want your AI cooking up some abomination. Once you have some killer prompts, upload them to PROMPTBASE.com, sit back, and watch the sales roll in. And here's the cherry on top. You can even sell the AI-generated artwork on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. So there you have it. Selling AI art prompts is a fun and creative way to make some extra dough. And who knows, you might even stumble upon the next Mona Lisa. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting money-making tips.